Kayleen Meardith, and I am currently a student at Thiel College. I am in a course that deals with putting technology into education. I will be teaching a standard-based lesson on counting money for second grade, and it is based on the PA standards, and I will be integrating technology into my lesson. I hope you enjoy. Good morning, class.
Good morning,
Ms. Meardith. Okay, we're going to play a game this morning, but before we start our game, everybody put their coins in the middle of the table so we don't lose. And remember which coin you have. Alright, so today, to start our lesson, we're going to learn about counting money. And we learned about it yesterday, so today we're going to review. We're going to play who I have, who has. So everybody has played this game before. What you do is, I'll read the first card. It says, I have 4 cents, who has 10 cents? So everybody needs to count the coins on the top of their card, and whoever has 10 cents needs to stand up and read their card.
I have 10 cents. Who has 27?
Our sticky notes in the middle of your table. Each partner needs to take 1 or 2. And the question is, when do we count money in our everyday lives? So we need to think of situations when we count money outside of school. So like when we go shopping or when we buy something. So try to think of some examples. And you can use the markers to write on yours. Okay, who would like to share first? Go ahead, Kristen.
When we go to the grocery store.
Yep. We spend money when we go to the grocery store and we have to count out. Alan, you want to go?
I said buy video
When we
games.
buy video games, we have to count out money when we pay for it. Okay, who can tell me which coin this is? Alan.
Quarter.
It's a quarter, that is correct. And who can tell me how much a quarter is worth? Brian.
25 cents.
Okay, Brian, can you tell me how we write 25 cents? Because remember, in math class, we don't use the cent sign. We always use the dollar sign.
$0.25.
So we're going to do a couple practice problems before we go into our centers. So let's count this together, and then the other 2 we'll do on our own. So we have
25. 50.
If we go to 50,
75.
and then we go to 76, 77. So it's worth 77 cents. And how would we write that?
Dollar sign 0.77.
Okay, so now we're going to split up into our centers. This is where you need your coins. So everybody pick up their coins. There is a dime, a penny, and a quarter. So you need to find the person who has your matching coins. So our first center is war. Does everybody know how to play war? Okay, so what we're going to do is, I think there'll only be 1 or 2 of you, or 2 or 3 of you at the center, and you're going to divide these cards up between 2 of you equally. And then what you do is you flip over the cards, and whoever has the highest amount of money takes both cards, so this person will take them, and put them back in their deck at the bottom. Whoever runs out of cards first loses, and whoever has the most at the end wins. That's the first one. Okay, in this center, each of you are going to get a worksheet, which is right here. It's going to be your answer sheet, and make sure you keep it neat because we're going to turn it in. So the eggs here are all numbered 1 through 12. What you're going to do is you're going to open up the egg, and you can lay out the money, and then you're going to count the money. So here it's 16 cents. You're going to see that it's number 6, and then you're going to write 16 cents in the egg. Then make sure, before you go to the next egg, we put all of the money back in the egg, and then we put it back where it was, and then you take the next egg, and make sure that we're sharing so that everybody can get this done.
Miss Meredith, I need help.
All right, do you want to count them together?
Yeah, which one do I start with?
What number is your egg?
3.
So you're going to start right here. So let's count these together. So we start with the biggest coin, so we're going to start with our quarter, so that's
25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38.
So you're going to write 38 cents, and you're going to put it right there under 3. Very good. And we never use the cent sign in math class, so we did a good job. So we're gonna do a ticket out. It's a 3-question ticket. It's a quiz, but I'm not gonna grade it. I'm just gonna see where you guys are. So don't stress out and try your best. Okay, what is the proper way to write 25 cents? Remember what we talked about. You guys are all done.